Marketing your business in 2025 is both easier and more competitive than ever before. Why? Because AI has leveled the playing field, giving small businesses the same kind of marketing power that big companies have. Today, I'll show you how to use AI to market your business from start to finish, so you can save time, reach more people, and grow faster. First up is Jasper AI. Jasper is an AI writing assistant built specifically for marketing. It can create ad copy, blog posts, product descriptions, email campaigns, and even full landing pages. For example, you can tell Jasper you need a Facebook ad for a summer sale, give it a few key points, and in seconds it will produce multiple polished versions you can test. Pro tip: feed Jasper your brand voice so it keeps your tone consistent across all your marketing materials. Next is Canva Magic Studio. Once you have your copy, you need visuals, and Canva makes it easy to design professional quality ads, social posts, and promotional materials without hiring a designer. Magic Studio can generate images, remove backgrounds, and suggest layouts based on your copy. You can even create animations for more eye-catching ads. Pro tip: save your brand kit in Canva so every design uses your exact colors, fonts, and logos. Now let's talk about ChatGPT. While Jasper is great for polished marketing copy, ChatGPT is ideal for brainstorming and strategy. You can ask it to create a content calendar, generate blog post ideas, write scripts for product videos, or even come up with subject lines for your email campaigns. Pro tip: use ChatGPT to create a customer persona and then have it write content specifically for that audience. Once you have your content, you need to post it at the right times, and that's where Buffer AI comes in. Buffer lets you schedule posts for multiple platforms, but the AI assistant takes it further by suggesting the best times to post and even rewriting your captions for better engagement. You can create a week or a month's worth of content in one sitting and let Buffer post it automatically. Pro tip: check Buffer's analytics to see which posts are performing best, then repurpose that content into new formats. For direct customer engagement, ManyChat is a must-have. ManyChat automates conversations on Facebook Messenger, Instagram DMs, and WhatsApp. It can answer common questions, send promotions, and even guide customers to a purchase, all without you having to respond manually. For example, a bakery could set up ManyChat to automatically message customers when new menu items are available, or to send discount codes during slow hours. Pro tip: use ManyChat to collect email addresses or phone numbers so you can continue marketing to those customers later. If you want people to actually find your business online, you need SEO, and that's where Surfer AI shines. Surfer analyzes your competitors' websites and gives you a detailed plan to outrank them. It can suggest keywords, headings, and even exact word counts for your blog posts. You can paste your draft into Surfer, and it will tell you exactly what to tweak to improve your chances of ranking on Google. Pro tip: pair Surfer with Jasper. Write the article in Jasper, then optimize it in Surfer before publishing. Finally, let's talk about video. Video content is huge right now, and Pictory AI makes it easy to create high-quality videos from your existing content. Paste in a blog post or script, and Pictory will generate a video complete with stock footage, animations, and captions. It's perfect for turning your written content into something you can post on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. Pro tip: keep your videos under 60 seconds for social media and around 5 minutes for YouTube to maximize watch time. Now let's put it all together. Here's an example workflow. You use ChatGPT to create a monthly content plan. Jasper writes your ads and email copy. Canva designs your visuals. Buffer schedules all your posts. ManyChat engages your customers in real time. Surfer optimizes your blog posts for SEO. And Pictory turns your best content into videos. With this setup, you could run a full-scale marketing campaign almost entirely on autopilot. The truth is, marketing in 2025 isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter by using the right tools. AI gives you the speed, consistency, and scale that used to require a big budget and a big team. Which of these AI marketing tools are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Logithor for more ways to grow your business using AI.